Get a laundry basket. Fold up a blanket that is soft. Put the blanket in the basket. Make sure it looks nice and good. Place a cat toy in the basket. Find a kitty. Put kitty in the basket. Nice and cozy. Put another basket on top of the first one. Find something that you could tie the handles of the laundry baskets together. Make sure that your ribbon or string or rope of your choice is tied tightly to keep the handles together. Make sure it dangles a little so your pet can play with it. And stick his little paw out and grab it. Find a corner that you could put a kitty trap and a convenient location to, like this.